Life is about daring to carry out your ideas. Fear not, we are of the nature of the lion, and cannot descend to the destruction of mice and such small beasts. Married love between man and woman is bigger than oaths guarded by right of nature. The communism of Karl Marx would probably be actually the best for everybody as a whole. There is no such thing as death. Designs of purely arbitrary nature cannot be expected to last long. We all have these shades in our nature. It's a spectrum within all of us. Human nature is to blame for everything in it. We're just a disease on this planet. Americans are apocalyptic by nature. What is government itself but the greatest of all reflections on human nature?